Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you struggle with hair that breaks or is fragile or is thinning, then you may want to give this a try. This is from Mielle and this is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo, and I really like this. So this is a 12-ounce bottle, and what I like about this is that this has biotin in it as well as rosemary and mint, and all of those can be helpful when you are trying to build up the strength of your hair. So I have trouble with thinning hair and breaking hair, and I have definitely noticed a difference. So not only does this help strengthen my hair, but it also does a really great job of cleaning your hair. So if you are looking for a shampoo that's going to really help with cleansing your scalp, this is going to do the trick. And bonus, it smells absolutely amazing. So I love the rosemary and mint smell. I like that it's not a floral or some other type of fragrance. It just smells really fresh and clean, and it feels that way too. So I would definitely recommend this shampoo if you are looking to strengthen your hair, and that's my point of view.